how heavy is the rainfall today on the 9th of April 2010. The time now is 4:12 p.m. I'm looking from my balcony, my condo balcony. Thunder and lightning continues to rule, and then as a result of the lightning and thunder and lightning, you see, you can hear it very loudly. As a result of that, the alarm went off. I'm very fearful of this lightning strike. Oh, you look at the rain. See, even that hole at the balcony bottom where the water flows through, I tried to push it down, but the wind is so strong that it came up again. So it's very frightening. Cheras area always have this kind of heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning. Bye bye. I have to go back to the kitchen to make my fruit juice now.